Canada's west coast. British Columbia, BC, is on the west coast of Canada. BC is next to the Pacific Ocean. BC has big mountains and many parks. BC's weather is mild because of the Pacific Ocean. The city of Vancouver has Canada's biggest port. Ships take goods from BC to other countries. Many things made in BC come from trees. These are called forestry products. BC also has mining, fishing, fruit farms, and a wine industry. Many people in BC speak English, Chinese, or Punjabi. BC's capital city is Victoria. Victoria is a popular place for tourists and home to the Navy.